Good morning, everybody. So I'm currently staying in Delft in the Netherlands with my mum and enjoying the festive season. So I hope you guys have had a good holiday too. Yeah, I'm wearing a Stop a Douchebag t-shirt. I got some of their merch. And yeah, I'm here to talk about today's video. It was the 13th of November 2023 and I caught a whole bunch of different drivers and several of them went to court. So on this day I caught 5 drivers. The first one was CV17EOS, which was the the Luton van type vehicle that rolled across a stop line while the guy was eating grapes. I went to Stratford Magistrates Court for that one and he got 3 points and about £700 in fines, costs and surcharge. Then up next is KS16AHF. I'll link in the video. That driver got disqualified and paid £244 in fines and costs and surcharge. And after that was RX19KZV. I haven't put that video up yet. It'll be a new one in today's video. And I don't have the full details. This is the only one I'm not certain of. But I do have a prosecution NIP and therefore I'm fairly confident the driver took a fixed penalty notice for 6 points and £200 fine. Then there was BU72ZWX, a lady in a white Tesla who I caught twice. That video has been up already. The first time she got a warning letter, and about 4 months later, which is on the videos on this day in November 2023, I caught her again and I believe she took a fixed penalty notice for that. So that would be 6 points and £200 fine. And then the second driver of this day, which is BA55MMA. This lady left like the longest WhatsApp gap I've probably ever come across in her black BMW, and she got taken to court for 6 points, £50 fine, £40 costs and £16 victim surcharge, which seems awfully little, but I guess she declared a low income. I don't know any details, I wasn't called. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I'll show you the links of those 5 videos. And of course we'll see the 2 videos directly in this for Basma and also RX19KZV. That RX19 video is quite funny because there was somebody in a van behind shouting at me to stop videoing people. I think you might enjoy that. And last of all, I just want to point out some of my mom's success as a pedigree German Shepherd breeder. This is her most successful champion. And yeah, otherwise, have a pleasant new year. I hope you all have a good time celebrating. Ciao, ciao. CV17EOS. Too busy eating. I think I can see the glow of the screen on his fingers. Roll towards without looking. I'm sure that's a phone that she's holding in both hands. I can't see. Let's have phone. There we go. Someone very angry there. I'm not actually sure who's shouting that. I can't even see who's shouting. RX19KZV. Come on, mate. What's going on? Oi, oi! Facebook, what the hell are you doing? Sorry mate, 1 second. She's still holding it. Yep, that's it. BU72ZWX. Bloody Facebook. Oh, I bet they were on the phone in Bosma. What a long WhatsApp gap that was. Oh yes. She's typing, I can see it, I knew it. I knew it because of the WhatsApp gap. Now come closer. I don't know where they're going. So let's see where they're going and then we try and come out of the way.